Pro-democracy crowds have stayed on the streets of Hong Kong, meanwhile, at the start of the National Day, which activists hope will see the largest protest there so far. Tens of thousands of people have been blocking parts of the city for days. They're demanding that China withdraw plans to vet candidates for the next Hong Kong leadership election in 2017. Well, Tom Grundy is an independent journalist in Hong Kong. Tom joins us now. And Tom, it's afternoon there now then. Give us a sense of how many people are on the streets and the mood. Is it still peaceful?
Very much so. I'm in Admiralty, where the government headquarters are. There are 3 other occupation areas across the city and shopping thoroughfares. There are still hundreds of people arriving here as the day warms up. It's a very humid day. People are using the umbrellas that were previously shielding them from tear gas as their parasols today. If it is people dressed in black, solemn black with yellow ribbons for universal suffrage. Quite a jovial, festive atmosphere, people sharing food. There was a barbecue even at one point the other night, and a DJ as people have reclaimed the streets. Talk of perhaps pushing into the central business district today, and yet still thousands of people gathered. Some stayed overnight here in Admiralty.
And we know, Tom, what these protesters want, but fair to say it's hard to imagine them getting it.
Yeah, I mean, Beijing is stuck between a rock and a hard place, though. 11 years ago, there was an almost million-man march where people ousted the first post-colonial leader of Hong Kong, Tung Chee-hwa. So it is perhaps possible that the maligned chief executive, C.Y. Leung, here in Hong Kong may step down. That's what they're demanding. But in terms of Beijing budging on the issue of one person, one vote, it seems there may not be much movement on this restrictive, conservative model that they announced in August.
Tom, I'm sure we will speak again. For now, thanks very much indeed for the update. Tom Grundy there, an independent journalist who's in Hong Kong monitoring those protests.